welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video, this is going to be a series of my how to be a makeup artist ka videos. I am filming this, like this is my second video. The first video was how to be a freelancing makeup artist, my like whatever, how to get there. That video was pretty helpful for a lot of people. I got really good comments during that video. So I just thought to make it a series where I share my own personal experience, how I am here in this field, how much I earn, what kind of products I use, what kind of vanity I have stuff. As title and thumbnail से दिखा रहेगा, I'm going to share the vanity that I have, which I recently got from Flipkart, and for मतलब कितने में मुझे पड़ा, कैसे पड़ा, etc. How the quality is, so you will get a knowledge about it. If you want such more videos about everything related to makeup artist and stuff, definitely check my videos. And there I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and mostly मेरे videos शाम के time पे आ जाते हैं. I post mostly on skincare, makeup, a lot. Obviously a lot on makeup and skincare, and अभी recently मैंने fashion के भी videos मैंने बनाने चालू किए. So definitely अगर आप interested हो तो keep an eye. If you are a makeup artist, you can follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair, that will be in the description, so you can have an idea about my work, and also my own account, that is Priyanka Almeida. And before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. इधर ही है ना, इधर से ही है. Definitely we're very close to 1k. Let's reach there together. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Bag is from Tour Tier. So this kind of vanity bags are very famous, and kind of very much something that most of the makeup artists will have, because it's very travel friendly, very compact, stores a lot of products, and very pretty at the same time. It's very light also to carry. Now इसके अंदर मैंने कुछ products अभी तक store नहीं किए, just for you to show. Once I am done with the video, last clip में आप देखोगे कि मैंने products कैसे store किए, so you will get an idea उसका भी. बट अभी के लिए मैं आपको सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट दिखा रही हूँ. तो ये ब्रांड है टोर टियर का, एंड मैंने इतना देरी, दिस लाइक फॉर मी मेकअप इस फील्ड में इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 3 years I've completed, like proper work is 2 years, and 1 year is like for learning and stuff. So anyways, in this 3 years I didn't purchase any bags. I didn't wanted to invest much because I wanted to gain a lot from my work जो मुझे अभी मिल गए. And I feel no मतलब है fact that I am at that stage where I'm earning pretty good for myself from this particular makeup thing, and I can literally invest in this. That's the reason finally I definitely got this bag, and after a lot of research, because these bags are not cheap, they are more than 1,000 rupees, which is I feel हाँ थोड़ा है, but you cannot get wrong with this particular kind of bags, because they are very good quality, something an investment that you should make if you are in this, but don't do it in the initial stages. Start it slow, have good clients, have constant earnings, and then you can think of purchasing such kind of investing stuff. Okay, starting में बिल्कुल needed नहीं है, genuinely speaking. Okay, तो ये वाले bags mostly they starts from 1500. Now they also have sizes. Now this is the big size that I have. So this is the last size that you get. और इससे भी थोड़ा एक छोटा मिलता है जो इससे थोड़ा आधा होता है, आधा से भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, and that retails for 700-800 max. Okay, and the full size retails for 1500. उसके नीचे आपको नहीं मिलेगा, but after a lot of research and a lot of things get थोड़ा और cheap में मिल जाए, I came across this brand called Tour Tier. I'll put it on the screen, you will have an idea. I will also link it in the description. I got it only for 1160, that is 1160 rupees. But now when I'm looking at the website, उन्होंने अपने charges बढ़ा दिए, it's for 1500, that is 1499. So keep this in wish list, so whenever again if they put it in sale, you will get it. I'm so glad. I also went to the reviews, and plus I got this only because वो assured नहीं था, but I got this because there was 10-day replacement or 10 days return. So that was a plus point, because if I in case don't like, because assured नहीं था, so there was a doubt thing that if I don't like, what's the point? I have to have it. But वो 10 days का देख के मैंने खरीदा, and that's the reason it was something very, I had a peace of mind that even if I don't like, I can return it and I can get my money back. Okay, but I absolutely loved it. So let's show you open करके, because बहुत ज़्यादा prescription दे दिया. So this is how the bag looks. Now this comes in 2 colors. This is the black and pink. So I go with the solid black because pink mostly dirty भी हो सकता है. If you are using it for personal use, you can take it pink. So I'll show you the strap. Firstly, ऐसे एक strap आता है, which you can adjust. You can make it big, small. This is the size. It's pretty. Okay, so this is how it looks. So the strap thing you can adjust. You can also remove it. So if you don't want the strap, so it also comes with this handle thing. So you can just carry it like this. And if you don't want the strap, you can actually remove it. The strap opening thing is also very simple and very cool. so कुछ झंझट वगैरह नहीं है उसमें. This is the strap, so you can make it big, small, and you can carry it on the side. Okay, so you can also carry it this way, so that's pretty easy as well. Okay, I'm going to put my camera a little further so that you will get an idea of the product अच्छे से. So I'm going to show you the opening first. So this is the opening of the bag. So इसमें इसका description chart है. So it has all the details of the brand. Also it says that if you like the product from this particular brand, then you can also email them and stuff, and you will get 50 rupees cashback जो उनका personal है. So yes, so I'm going to show you the first inside part. So this is adjustable. So it is not something that you have to store only in this compartment. You can remove this particular things and you can adjust it big, small, however you want. So if you just want it to be over here and you want this particular okay, let me adjust it first. So you can remove all of this, genuinely speaking. So yeah, this is something very useful, so that if you want the compartment like this totally open, you can keep it totally open. So if you want only in the middle, so you can put it in the middle to your wish. You can adjust the size, that is a plus point. So ये चार straps ऐसे ही वो आगे के आते, you can remove it. It's pretty hard, solid. It's of wood. Yes, it is of wood, and it is stuck to a velvet kind of material, kind of stuff. So here you go. तो ऐसे आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. Plus is this also you can remove. So wherever you want to adjust, you can adjust accordingly. So that's pretty cool. So if you want it to be big, तो आप big वाला भी कर सकते हो. If you want it small, so you can also make it small according to your liking and your wish. You can adjust it. The cloth and the material also from inside is very good. I hope you can see. Now let's come to the upper part. So here you have the chain. आपको यहाँ पे chain मिल जाता है. This is the chain. So you can store your eyeshadow palettes or the palettes which are very here it is kind of a foam kind of foam है यहाँ पे. So it's very safe if you have very expensive eyeshadow palettes and stuff which is like of it has mirror and all. तो आप यहाँ पे आराम से रख सकते हो. Here it's very cool. You can store all your brushes in here. It comes like this, and also has this. So your product is आराम से and अच्छे से secure. So you can also store like your brushes, your eyeliners, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 12 compartments in this. So एक में ही आपके 2 से 4 brushes आराम से जाएंगे. इतने ज़्यादा useful है. And then this is the closing part, and then here you have one chain area. Okay, so this is the bag. पीछे कुछ नहीं है. पीछे ऐसे ये है. So you can put some kind of maybe like papers and stuff if you want to. Other than that, this is the inside. I hope it's visible, and it's pretty solid from outside. Pretty good quality. If you take care of this kind of products, I think this is going to last you for a really long time. Now they have a lot of brands जो 1500 के ऊपर ही it retails, but this particular product was under 1000, like under not 1000, मतलब 1500 के नीचे था. 1160 रुपीज़ में मुझे पड़ा. बट अभी मैं जब देख रही हूँ, I'll show you also on the screen. It is literally आपको उल्टा दिखेगा. Yes, I'll put the photo on the screen. So it's for 1499. So guys, just keep it in wish list. और जब भी okay, so here in this part, so basically you get a lot of compartments like this, so you can sort it out according to your liking. So I have just sorted into one here. So I have like 4 compartments altogether because ज़्यादा छोटे छोटे नहीं चाहिए, because you cannot store a lot of stuff. So in here, as you can see, there are like concealers, foundation, and इसके नीचे I have my primers. So these are the primers which I have. So the foundations mostly I've used all these brands का still. So according to I have, because कल मुझे जो order है that is for cider, so I don't need much of branded stuff. That's the reason I have just kept all these normal products right here. Then in here I have like my eyeshadow palette जो basic mostly ऐसे basic eyeshadow palette ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को जाता है. So मैं वो basic eyeshadow palette ही रखती हूँ. And then these are 2 of my favorite blush by Sugar. I've shown this in my Sugar haul, so just check that out. This is amazing palette. This is like you get a contour, highlight, and a blush. So the highlight is amazing. And I have these 2 Sugar palettes which are also very basic, which you need. So इसमें तीनों चीज़ें आ जाते हैं. And also by this Flower Beauty, वो भी मैंने एक Nykaa के haul में दिखाया था. So these are the stuff that basically क्या हो जाता है, it goes on to maximum people. Okay. तो ये हो गया. In this compartment I have like my compacts. The moisturizer which I use is by Dermaco. This is a very amazing moisturizer under the makeup. And also this is by this is actually दूसरा डब्बा, but इसके अंदर Biotic का moisturizer है. Come out, हाँ. तो दिस इज लाइक ऑरिफ्लेम का डब्बा, बट इन इसके अंदर जो बायोटिक का मॉइस्चराइजर है. एंड ऑल्सो दिस पाउडर इज ऑल्सो अमेजिंग. दिस इज बाय शुगर, the white translucent powder. This is called translucent powder, simple. Then here I have a wipe. Of course you need a wipe. Then I have a mist. This is a different bottle. इसके अंदर plum का face mist है. Then also this is a fixer. I have a remover. Remover भी एक hair style order का. Eyelash color. So ये basic चीज़ें that I can need eyeshadow this. So according to order I have just segregated all the stuff, and in here I have some eye stuff. So I have to keep yet the brushes because I have to still wash my brushes. So wash करने के बाद I will keep all my brushes in there. And the lipstick I have not kept here because I have a lot of lipsticks. So lipsticks में mostly ना ऐसे इस डब्बे में ये करती हूँ, sort करती हूँ. So I think this is called a medicine box where you keep your medicine according to days. So what I have done is like I have cutted all my lipsticks. And my shades के हिसाब से उसको I have kept. So here are all the red and here are plums and all. This is a very nice method that you can, in a very small way you can travel with a lot of lipstick. इसमें transparent भी आता है, but I got this, so it's fine. So I can keep this directly. And also these are like the basic lipstick which I have, but here I have all the liquid lipsticks and the branded lipstick which are very like good and stuff. So like by all Nykaa or like I hope you can see there. I'll just show you glimpses. So overall जो अच्छे वाले लिपस्टिक्स होते हैं सब I keep in the pouch because I have a lot of lipstick and sometimes the requirements of the clients keeps changing, so I have to carry all the lipsticks. So in this way what I do is I keep switching my bag with the products in here. And for I like brushes I have anyways a pack का पूरा eye set का brush set. So ये इस holder के साथ ही आता है. So I have this in that way. So if I have bridal orders then my products will keep on switching, but the bag will remain the same. So I keep on putting my extra stuff in these bags and the maximum here. And I hope that you liked my video. That was all how I store my product in this particular bag. This is something that if you are eager, if you love makeup, anyways if you're not even a MUA, but if you have a lot of makeup storage ke liye, it's amazing. You can store a lot of products, not only like makeup, you can also store a lot of skincare products. If you have seen the Alia Bhatt skincare routine video, even in that video she has shown this kind of bag, and this was the half size of what I'm showing you. So that is something very good if you have skincare and if you travel a lot. This kind of bags are very good for traveling purposes. So yes, that's it from my side. I hope that you like my video. Definitely check out my video on how to become a makeup artist and all. उसमें मैंने सब details बताए, and I'm going to do a lot of good amazing informative video on this particular content of makeup artist, how to earn, what kind of skills you should have, where to learn, etc, etc, etc. If you have any suggestion ideas as well, put it in the comments. And yeah, the product will also be linked in the description, so whenever there is sale, get your hands on this. It's very good, approved from me for sure. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.